That's how you do brats. If you guys could smell this, oh my.
Regulators! Mount up!
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make.
Okay, for our bratwurst cook, we're going to be using Kingsford Professional Briquettes. Maybe I'll throw some hickory chips in there. We're going to be doing it on the Performer Deluxe. And I wanted to show you this. So this is, the grill grate here. Have you ever wondered where to hang this on your Performer cart? Well, if we go around the back, you'll see here, there's this little slot in it. And that is right where the handle hooks. And you can hang up your rack. So let's get these charcoal baskets going. I'm going to be doing 3 zones basically. I'm going to have 2 together, and then I have a separate one here too. And I'll get into more why I'm setting it up like that in a bit. Okay, our chimney coals are up to temp. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour a few of them in these back baskets. Put a few in here. So we get that heating up. And then we're going to take our other front basket and we'll pour the rest in there, like so. Get our rack back on. Okay. Centerpiece in there. Help if I have it turned right. Okay. Get our vents open. I haven't opened the vents yet. Get those going. Set up our grill. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this delicious Rainier right here. Rainier. Cheers. First take a swig of it. Yeah, baby. We're gonna get skillet on here over the direct coals that I have in the back of the Weber. We're gonna pour this beer in here. We're gonna go ahead and pour everything but one last sip. Refreshing. We're gonna let that come up. Then we're gonna put our onions in there. We're going to kind of just let them saute in the butter and the beer. I'm going to go get the brats now. Okay, you can see our beer is starting to boil a little bit, getting bubbles. Had to give me another one. Cheers. This one's for me. Oh yeah. Alright, so let's just take our onions, put them down in there. I'm not ready to put the butter in yet. I'm going to give this a few minutes. Do its thing. Be careful because this other one's still warm. So what we're going to do here is this is where we're going to sear our brats, and then we're going to put them in the cast iron skillet here with the onions and the beer and the butter. So we'll just let this go for a few minutes. This is going to be good. Okay, our onions are going good. Let's go ahead and drop the butter in there, get that going. And then we're going to take our brats and we're going to lay them over this other zone that I have for searing directly. Get these going on here. We'll give them a minute, then we'll flip them over. Better have another drink. about an 85-degree day today. Just beautiful out here. Perfect night to be grilling. We'll come back and we'll flip those over. Okay, let's flip these brats over, see what they look like. Oh yeah, that's a nice, oh yeah, perfect. That one, oh yeah. Get this other side kind of seared up. It's gonna be good. So, what do you guys think? Should I go live when I do these type of cooks? I see a lot of my barbecue friends going live when they're doing their cooks and stuff, especially on the Blackstones. I like to give them, you know, make fun of them because they're cooking on Blackstones, but I'm just having fun. I think those are pretty nice, you know, flat tops. But I just like the flavor you get out of the charcoal cookers like this, or the wood cookers. Anyhow, tell me what you think. Should I do live? I don't know. Cheers. Okay, I think it's time that we put the brats into the saucepan. So we're gonna just put them down in here. Oh yeah, those are looking good, aren't they? I think we need to add some more beer to that. We're gonna move it over. So, let's add a little more beer there. What's wrong with adding more beer? That's why they call them beer brats. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and put the lid on it and let it steam for a while. Cheers. You can always put other vegetables in there, green peppers, you know, yellow peppers, orange peppers, red peppers, jalapenos, whatever you want. And that would come out really good too. I just like onions, so that's what we're going to do. Stay tuned. Okay, let's get our buns ready. I am using Duke's mayonnaise. This stuff is incredible. I could probably eat this by the spoonful. We're going to put some of that on our buns. Now, I'm not using hoagie rolls because I didn't go to the store and get any. So I'm just using regular old hot dog buns. But that'll work. And then we're going to go with some Heinz ketchup. Yum. Alright, let's get our dogs. Alrighty. These brats are done. Let's go ahead and pull a couple of them off. Put them on here. Don't they look good? Some of this delicious onion. Oh yeah. That's how you do brats. If you guys could smell this, oh my. Incredible. Oh yeah. Lost an onion. That's alright, I'm eating it. So. Oh yeah. That is crazy good. Alright, let's go ahead and just try these while we're out here at the grill. These are looking so good. Yum. A perfect little meal. Oh. Could be for lunch, could be for dinner, could be in for breakfast. Those are so good. Oh my. Lick that ketchup up. Anyway, cheers everybody. Still a little warm, but oh. Yeah, so you saw how I set up the 3 zones. one for searing the brats, and then one for cooking the or braising, whichever you want to call it, in the cast iron skillet. The onions, the butter, the beer, and then I put the brats in there, and yeah, I'd say I probably had them in there for 35-40 minutes, and just kind of kept checking them until they were nice. And I took my quick read temp probe and just stuck it in there, and when it went in like butter, that told me that was done. There was no really pullback or anything on it, so it was really good on those brats. And I'm gonna go tear this up. Well, thank you for stopping by and watching this, and as I always say, you can do this too. Cheers. Grill on. Delicious.